Welcome to Hydroponics. Have you ever imagined growing plants without using soil? It sounds almost impossible, doesn't it? But it's true. It's called hydroponics. Hydroponics is a fun and easy way to grow your own vegetables at home. Instead of soil, your plants get their food from nutrient-rich water. It's like giving your plants a special drink that helps them grow big and strong. Hydroponics is great for beginners and experienced gardeners alike, so get ready to learn all about it. Before you start growing, you'll need a few things. Setting up a hydroponic system might seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and materials, it becomes a straightforward process. Don't worry, you can find most of these items at your local garden center or online. Many stores offer a wide range of hydroponic supplies, and you can even find specialized kits that include everything you need to get started. First, you need a container to hold your plants and water. This container will serve as the base of your hydroponic system, providing a reservoir for the nutrient solution that will feed your plants. A large plastic storage bin works great. It's affordable, easy to find, and comes in various sizes to fit your space and needs. Next, you'll need some net pots to hold your plants. These pots are designed to allow the roots to grow freely, while keeping the plant securely in place. These pots allow the roots to grow down into the water. This is crucial for the plants to access the nutrient-rich solution that will help them thrive. You'll also need a growing medium. This material will support the plant roots and help maintain moisture levels. This could be something like clay pebbles or coconut fiber. Each type of growing medium has its own benefits, so choose one that suits your plants and system. It helps support your plants and keep them upright. A good growing medium ensures that your plants have a stable base to grow from, which is essential for healthy development. Now let's build your hydroponic garden. Start by filling your container with water. Leave a little space at the top, then add your hydroponic nutrients to the water. These nutrients are like vitamins for your plants. Follow the instructions on the nutrient bottle carefully. Next, place your net pots into the container lid, making sure they fit snugly. Fill the net pots with your chosen growing medium and carefully plant your seedlings. Make sure the roots are surrounded by the growing medium. Section 4. Keeping your plants happy and healthy. Once your hydroponic garden is set up, you need to take care of it. This involves a few key steps to ensure your plants thrive. It's important to check the water level regularly and add more water when needed. Water is the lifeline of your hydroponic system, and maintaining the right level ensures that your plants get the hydration they need. You should also change the nutrient solution every 2 weeks. This keeps the nutrients fresh and balanced, providing your plants with the essential minerals they need to grow strong and healthy. Plants need light to grow, so make sure your hydroponic garden is placed in a bright location. Natural sunlight is ideal, but if that's not an option, there are other solutions. If you don't have enough natural light, you can use grow lights. These lights mimic the sun's rays and provide the necessary light spectrum for photosynthesis, helping your plants to grow even in low light conditions. Observe your plants regularly for any signs of pests or diseases, and take appropriate action if needed. Early detection is key to preventing infestations and keeping your plants healthy. Regular inspections can help you catch any issues before they become serious problems. Section 5. Why hydroponics is amazing. Hydroponics is an awesome way to grow your own food. Imagine having a garden that doesn't rely on soil, but instead uses a nutrient-rich water solution to nourish plants. This innovative method is not only fascinating but also incredibly efficient. It has many advantages over traditional gardening. For starters, hydroponic systems can be set up almost anywhere, from small apartments to large urban rooftops, making it accessible to everyone. Firstly, hydroponics uses less water than traditional gardening. This is because the water in a hydroponic system is recirculated and reused, significantly reducing the amount of water needed to grow plants. That's because the water is recirculated and reused. This not only conserves water but also ensures that plants receive a consistent supply of nutrients, leading to healthier growth. Secondly, hydroponic plants grow faster and produce more vegetables than plants grown in soil. The controlled environment and direct access to nutrients allow for optimal growth conditions. That's because they have constant access to nutrients. Unlike soil gardening, where plants have to search for nutrients, hydroponic systems deliver everything the plants need directly to their roots. And lastly, you can grow your vegetables anywhere with hydroponics, even if you don't have a garden. This flexibility means you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce no matter where you live. It's a fun and rewarding way to enjoy fresh, homegrown food all year round. Plus, the satisfaction of growing your own food and knowing exactly where it comes from is truly unmatched.